Have horrible lighting in your condo even with all the lights on? Most condos have concrete ceilings, so if you don't have any existing light, there's not much you can do without dropping the ceiling. This is expensive, messy, and it takes weeks to complete. Introducing the LightBox. It is the first of its kind in Canada. The patent-pending design lets you install recessed lights, light fixtures, and even Bluetooth speakers directly onto a condo concrete ceiling. This eliminates the need of a long, messy, and costly renovation. Light boxes are manufactured as per your order in our shop, so your home stays clean. There is no drywall, no sanding, and no painting is done in your home. All we do in your home is give power to the light box and fasten it to your ceiling. This not only saves you the labor cost, but it also has minimum disruption to your home. All our installations take just 1 day from start to finish. What's even better is that the light box sits only 2.5 inches lower than your concrete ceiling, so you hardly notice the drop in height. Your LightBox can come pre-installed with smart single or multicolor accent lighting. You can also add Bluetooth speakers and high-definition Wi-Fi cameras. Our patent-pending LightBox is the fastest, cleanest, and most affordable solution to lighting up your home. All our LightBox products and our services come standard with 3 years warranty. We are licensed and insured for up to $5 million. It's no secret that lighting affects your mood and productivity. So what are you waiting for? Don't settle for poor lighting. Visit our website for pricing and check out our Instagram page for pictures of the latest installations. Reach out to us via WhatsApp, text, or call at 647-680-7589 and get the lighting your home deserves.